Hi, welcome to Magical Brains, and I am Muskan Sheikh. Today I have brought a homeschool resource which had helped me to teach my daughter when I started homeschooling her. When I started homeschooling for my daughter, it was a lockdown period and I was unable to find any resource for my daughter. Then while browsing through various YouTube videos, I came across interactive learning binder. After studying lot of videos, I thought let me make my own content for my daughter and start homeschooling for her. Why to wait for the lockdown to get over, as she had turned already 3 years old by then. So let me share some of the content that I created for my daughter. This is the first binder that I created for my daughter with a very basic good to know knowledge like colors, fruits, vegetables, farm animals, then wild animals, and so on. There are a lot of topics that I had covered in this. So this binder was so helpful for my daughter, and she immediately hooked on to the idea of this interactive binders because I had created these binders with the help of Velcros, where she can just remove these cutouts and she can match, she can identify the colors, everything. For example, I would call out for the red color. She would search in this cutouts and search for the red color and place this color and match it. Then comes green, so she would match the green color. Yellow color, blue and blue color. In a similar fashion, I have created all the other contents, all basic animals, fruits, vegetables, birds, insects, with all these various topics. My daughter loved this binder so well that she didn't find any difficulty in learning, and she would spend hours after hours with this binder. She loved this binder so much that she learned everything in a very fun-loving way, playing and in a very stress-free environment. So then later I started creating my own content like this, and there are other few contents also which I downloaded from the website. But during this entire process, I also noticed a challenge which as a mother I faced. It was a very time consuming and very tedious job. Develop a content, take the printout and laminate it, cut it, and then make a binder out of it. So it was a very time consuming task. That's when one day an idea struck me. So I thought of creating a ready to use binder so that other mothers can also benefit from this kind of interactive learning binders. That's when I worked on the content of my binder and created ready to use interactive learning binder. I have created a 2 set of interactive learning binder for the age group of kids 6 months to 3 years old. I have kept in mind, once the kids completes both those binder, the child will be completely prepared to enter into a kindergarten. And all those contents I have covered, a child needs to know by the age of 3. So once you purchase that binder, it's like everything in one resource. So you don't have to keep hunting for different things for different topics. Take you through the binder quickly. So this is my first interactive learning binder. In the first binder, I have covered the topics on English and mathematics. Okay. So like I've started with the alphabet sounds, then alphabets along with the pictures. So A, B, C, D, completely A to Z it is there. You can make use of any basket like this, okay, and remove all the cutouts like this, and you can just put it here. So once your child memorized everything, so the child have to just pick up one cutout from this, and the child will say, okay, what it is? Ball. So B for ball. Then pick up the another cutout, banana. B for banana. Pick the another cutout, cake. C for cake. So this will, the child will be able to learn all the alphabets as well as the alphabet along with the objects. Then I have covered capital alphabet and small alphabet matching. In this, again, once your child has learned identification of both capital and small alphabet, you can just remove like this, and then the child will again pick up one alphabet like this. Okay, H, small h. So capital H, then small h. I. So where is I? I and capital I. So it becomes one activity for your kid to do, and your child gets generally engaged in doing this activity, and you also get some time. Then I have covered basic shapes. Then shapes, match the shapes along with the objects, that is the real life objects. Then so matching shape with according to the colors, that is square, red square. So this is square and it is a red square. The child has to stick it here. Then numbers 1 to 10. Then the child has to count and match. Okay, this is 1, so this is 1. 8. The child will count the seeds and then stick it like this. Right? Simple counting. Where the child has to count the object, and you will again remove all the cutouts and put it in a basket. The child has to count the object and then search for the number and stick it against the object. Then just a brain teaser, you can say, or a vocabulary revision kind of a thing. You will just, I have given some few objects over here. Like for example, what you have to do is just you keep this here and you will ask the child, brown bear, what do you see? Then the child will say, brown bear, I see a dog. So then you bring the dog here. Again, here you keep another object. Then you have to ask your child, brown bear, what do you see? The child will again reply, brown bear, I see a honey. Then keep the object here. Then take the another object. Likewise, there are total 9 objects, so it becomes a vocabulary builder for your child, kind of a revision. So this, and along with this you also have a complimentary this pouch where you can keep your cutouts safely. Okay, the second binder is all about general awareness, or all the good to know knowledge, everything, anything and everything that your child up to 3 years old should know. So you can see I have covered topics like basic colors, fruits. Okay, this is my sample binder, so it is little disoriented, so excuse for that. Then you have farm animals, wild animals, again aquatic animals. Then I have also given a few activity sheet where the child can do activity, where you will remove all the cutouts like this, then put it in the basket. Then ask your child to remove one cutouts, and the child will tell, okay, what it is? It is a crab. So where does a crab live? The crab lives in a water. So what it is? It is a goat. Where does a goat live? The goat lives in a land. So in this way you can build a conversation with your child. The entire learning process is very interactive. There is a mother and a child bound is created with this kind of interactive binders. I think this is a very wonderful tool for a kid to learn in a very fun and a stress-free environment. So like this you can complete the entire activity. So the child also learns the differentiation between animal living in the water and the animal living in the land. Going further, garments, different types of garments the kids wear, parts of the face, parts of the body, senses, emotions. There are different emotions. A child can be introduced with different emotions over here, like bored, angry, excited, and you can simply just pick up anything like happy. So the child has to again search for the which is the happy face. Oh, this. So then your child will say, I feel happy. So in this way you can complete the activity. Again, some few basic opposites and positional words I have also kept in mind, that the child gets some hands-on practice for a better understanding of a concept, where we teach positional words only with the pictures. On means kept on something, down, below, So many times I've seen the kids get confused with positional words. So what we did over here is I have created this 2 box and a ball, so that when the child is like used to the entire concept, then you can ask your child, keep the ball on the box. So your child will keep the ball here. Then you can tell your wife, keep the ball in front of the box. So the child will keep the ball here. Child gets a hand-on practice. And if you tell keep the ball inside the box, so there is a half ball which the child will keep inside. So inside. Then I have also included days of the week, months of the year. Now these colors, all these again, this topics have a cutouts like this, where you can remove it, all the cutouts. I took the help of Velcros to make these binders. Again, you can just remove all the colors and you can read out blue. So your child has to search for the blue color. Where is blue? So this is blue color, and the child will stick it. Then you can call out for it, there is a purple color. Then the child has to search for the purple color. Then stick the purple color. So in this way, the complete identification of an concept is clear to a child. So I have used the similar fashion for fruits. Again, the child can remove these cutouts and you can tell where is apple. Then the child has to search for the apple in the complete this group and stick it. Then you can say where is banana. The child will search for banana and stick it. Where is orange. The child will search for the orange and stick it. Mango, and so on. So this entire binder I have created in the same concept for all the topics, and this binder is very engaging. In case you wish to purchase this binder, you can click on the link given in our description, where you will be directly directed to our WhatsApp group and you can place an order there, or else you can even visit our website, that is www.magicalbrains.in, and you can place your order there. If you liked my work and you think these binders will be very helpful for your kids, I would request you to support my work and by subscribing to my channel, Magical Brains. And if you like the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Thank you.